Wishing all of you a very happy Diwali and festive season ahead. The last 2 years have been one of the most interesting periods in the market, with a big fall in March 2020 and a substantial rally after that. At ICICI Prudential Asset Management Company, we've been very disciplined in recommending asset allocation to all the investors. This whole approach that we have been following over the period of time has been very rewarding for most investors. We believe that this approach is likely to continue to work over the next 3 to 5 years at this point of time, given that market valuations are not cheap and market valuation appears to be expensive at this point of time. We think that the biggest risk at this point of time is not the Indian economy or the Indian business cycle, but the fact that global central banks can increase interest rates at some point of time in the next few years. At the same time, at ICICI Prudential Asset Management Company, we have come up with interesting ways to invest, like the Freedom SIP concept, the Freedom SWP concept to take out money at a point of time, and recently the Booster STP model, which we think is the best way to invest in elevated market valuations through the STP route. We would request investors to consider these kind of models of investing, considering that markets are not cheap. At ICICI Prudential AMC, we have actually got one of the good product ranges of different products to invest in, including many fund of fund products at this point of time, which we think can also add value to investors over a period of time. So I would like to wish all of you a very happy Diwali and a good investing period in the next few years. Having said that, we think that the next 2 to 3 years is going to be much more challenging for investors, given that substantial part of the returns has already come in the last 12 to 18 months. And we would request investors to stay disciplined in the next 2 to 3 years to deliver the best investing experience and get the best benefit of volatile market conditions, which can happen over the next 2 to 3 years. At ICICI Prudential AMC, we are committed to looking at investors with the long-term view and also provide the best communication at various points of time, particularly when markets become very volatile. Thank you all and wish you all a happy Diwali. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.